ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People in Under 7 Minutes. Dale Carnegie's timeless classic How to Win Friends and Influence People is like a friendly guidebook for mastering the art of social interaction. Picture it as your manual for navigating the social world with grace and creating meaningful connections. The author, in a simple and engaging style, imparts timeless principles and practical advice that serve as a compass for enhancing social skills. The book is a treasure trove of insights on how to build positive and lasting relationships. The author's wisdom is like a mentor's gentle counsel, offering valuable lessons on communication, empathy, and understanding. Whether you are in business or just want to improve your personal relationships, the book provides actionable tips that stand the test of time. So, if you are looking to enrich your social life and make a positive impact on those around you, How to Win Friends and Influence People is your go-to manual for fostering meaningful connections. Here are 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. The power of a smile. A smile is a powerful thing, says the author. It's not just a simple expression, it can make people feel happy and accepted. When we show a real smile, it makes others feel welcome and valued, creating a friendly vibe. This positivity can make our personal and work relationships more comfortable and pleasant. So, by smiling genuinely, we spread warmth and kindness, making the world around us a friendlier place. Lesson number 2. Show genuine interest in others. The author teaches us to truly care about others. It's not just about hearing them, but really listening and asking about their lives. Making someone feel important is the key. By pushing others first and understanding their needs, we can create stronger bonds and friendships. This simple act of genuine interest can build trust and make our relationships more meaningful. So, according to the author, showing sincere concern for others is a powerful way to connect and establish rapport. Lesson number 3. Remember the names. The author stresses the importance of remembering and using people names. He says a person's name is special to them, and remembering it shows that you are paying attention and respect on them. This simple habit can create a lasting positive impact in different social situations. By recalling names, you can make others feel acknowledged and valued, contributing in stronger connections and positive interactions. So, according to the author, remembering names is a small but powerful way to enhance social relationships. Lesson number 4. Avoid criticism and condemnation. The book encourages steering clear of criticism and condemnation. The author warns about the harm these actions can cause in a relationship. Instead, he recommends offering constructive feedback and promoting positive change. Building a supportive environment becomes crucial as it strengthens trust and connections. According to the author, avoiding negative judgment contributes to healthier and more positive relationships, fostering an atmosphere where growth and understanding can thrive. Lesson number 5. Be a good listener. The author highlights the value of being a good listener in effective communication. He emphasizes the importance of listening attentively without interrupting or passing judgment. By genuinely understanding others' perspectives and experiences, individuals can build empathy and strengthen their relationships. According to the author, being a good listener is a key component of positive and meaningful communication, fostering understanding and connection between people. Lesson number 6. Win people to your way of thinking. The author delves into the art of persuasion and influence. Instead of forcing ideas, he recommends understanding others' viewpoints, finding common grounds, and presenting thoughts in alignment with their interests and values. This collaborative approach fosters mutual understanding, making it more likely for people to embrace your way of thinking. The author suggests that by respecting others' perspectives and tailoring your communication, you can build a foundation for agreement and cooperation. Lesson number 7. Give honest and sincere appreciation. The author emphasizes the strength of expressing honest and sincere appreciation in building connections. He encourages individuals to genuinely acknowledge the efforts and qualities of others. By showing appreciation, people feel valued and it motivates them to contribute positively in their interactions. According to the author, this simple act of recognizing and praising others fosters a positive and encouraging environment, strengthening relationships and creating a sense of mutual respect. In conclusion, How to Win Friends and Influence People is a timeless guide that offers practical wisdom for navigating social interactions and building meaningful relationships. Dale Carnegie's principles, rooted in respect and understanding, remain relevant in today's world. Whether in personal or professional settings, the lessons from this book provides valuable insights for anyone seeking to enhance their social skills and creating a positive connection with others. Think of this book as your treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.